Muan, South Korea, December 29. A tragic aviation disaster struck South Korea on Sunday morning when Jeju Air Flight 7C-2216 crash-landed at Muan International Airport. The Boeing 737-800, carrying 181 passengers and crew from Bangkok, skidded down the runway on its belly before bursting into flames. Rescue teams have confirmed 122 fatalities, making it South Korea's deadliest plane crash since 1997. The victims include 54 men, 57 women, and 11 whose gender remains undetermined. Tragically, the aircraft struck navigation equipment on the ground and crashed into a wall. The impact left the plane sliding at high speed before hitting an embankment and erupting into flames. Dramatic footage broadcast by South Korean media captured the jet's fiery descent, with smoke billowing from the wreckage. Authorities are investigating potential causes, with landing gear failure and a bird strike cited as possibilities. One of the aircraft's black boxes, the flight data recorder, has been recovered, offering investigators critical insights into the final moments before the crash. However, the cockpit voice recorder remains missing. The Boeing 737-800 involved in the crash is considered a reliable workhorse of the skies, with a strong safety record. Jeju Air's CEO stated that the aircraft showed no signs of technical issues before the flight. The incident marks South Korea's most devastating aviation disaster in over 2 decades. Rescue and recovery efforts continue at the crash site, though hope for more survivors fades. The nation mourns as authorities work to uncover the cause of this catastrophic accident. Further updates are expected as investigations proceed.